Happy Independence Day! Today we are celebrating the 4th of July by coloring this iconic patriotic hat. Let's start with our background colors to set the scene. Find number 6. Number 6 is green for the ground. Next is number 2 for sky blue for the background. Let's fill these in first so our hat really stands out against the sky. Now for the famous hat. Find number 1. Number 1 is blue. We are coloring the band across the middle and the side sections of the hat top. This is the heart of the patriotic design. Time for the red in red, white, and blue. Find number 3. Number 3 is red. We are coloring every other stripe on the top of the hat and the little trails behind the stars. Let's add the stars and stripes. Find number 4 for white. Use white for the remaining hat stripes and the band stars. Now for number 5 for yellow. Make those big stars at the bottom shine with yellow. Incredible! Our 4th of July hat is complete and ready for the parade. Great job, and see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coloring fun.